Hello everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening practice. Today we will listen to a short and simple story. The story is called The Helpful Little Bird. Listen carefully. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence. Let's begin. The Helpful Little Bird. One morning, a little bird woke up early. The bird lived in a small green tree. The sun was bright and the sky was blue. The little bird was happy. He flew over the garden. In the garden he saw a small ant. The ant was near a big stone. The ant looked sad. "Why are you sad?" asked the bird. "I am hungry," said the ant. "I cannot find any food." The little bird looked around. He saw a small piece of bread near the house. The bird flew down and picked up the bread. Then he gave the bread to the ant. "Thank you," said the ant. "You are very kind." The ant ate the bread. He was happy again. A few days later, the little bird was in trouble. He fell into a small net. The bird tried to fly, but he could not move. He was afraid. The ant saw the bird. The ant called his friends. Many ants came to help. They beat the net again and again. At last, the net broke. The little bird was free. "Thank you, my friend," said the bird. The ant smiled and said, "You helped me first." The bird and the ant became good friends. They helped each other every day. Moral story. A small act of kindness can come back to you. Always help others when you can.